Happy Monday, Team Kanawa. The purpose of our Math Monday Minute videos is to provide you with a couple of ideas to rumble with as you head into the week of implementing both Bridges and Number Corner, but also to bolster your efficacy as you head into the week teaching both of those curricular tools. So this week, we are going to begin focusing on teacher clarity. And I know for me, I always used to think of teacher clarity as my learning target and my success criteria, and just posting them in my room as a hoop to jump through. But what John Hattie and his research team tell us is that teacher clarity is more than simply posting student-friendly learning targets. It's also about helping students gauge their own process through the use of success criteria and intentional and deliberate feedback. So this week, we're going to start diving into learning intentions and success criteria. All of this is just a simple refresh or resurfacing from Visible Learning for Mathematics. So the learning intention is really like our why. Why are we doing this? And the success criteria is, well, what are we going to do today that's going to specifically show that we can do the why? When thinking about learning intentions and success criteria, keep in mind that there are 4 different types. There's a content, which is usually rooted in Common Core State standards and links back to specific domains or standards that you have the opportunity to teach. There's language, which comes from your speaking and listening standards, but also key vocabulary terms. There's social learning intentions and success criteria, which could be linked back to true success or just some general noticings from your classroom. And then finally, there's practice learning intentions and success criteria, and those are rooted back in our mathematical practice standards. So in the coming weeks, we'll take a look at each one of the 4 of the categories and what specific learning intentions and success criteria might look and sound like in those 4 categories. For me, learning intention and success criteria are so important because it roots everything I do for that bit of time. So if at the beginning of the math block, I surface my learning intention and success criteria, I try my best to make sure that my activities, my questions, my formative assessment, my exit slips, all of it is linked back to the LI and the SC. So I hope that that gives you a little bit to rumble with as you head into one of the last 4 weeks of school. Remember that I'm here to support. Now or moving forward, my role is to learn alongside you and your students and to make you feel more efficacious in teaching mathematics. Thanks for all you do. We appreciate you, not just during Teachers Appreciation Week, but always. Have a great week and let me know what I can do to support.